Hi, this is Ru from Easer. Dongguan Huaiyang Metal Manufacture Company Limited, established in 2013. It is a professional manufacturer and supplier of tin cans. Let's go and see it. Our company has passed ISO 9001 and SETIC 6 pillar certifications. In addition, we also passed the audit by our customers like Disney and L'Oreal. We provide one-stop services of tin can packaging, from designing, molding, sampling, printing, cutting, stamping, and packing to shipping. Our factory covers an area of approximately 20,000 square meters and has over 300 skilled employees in the tin making industry, with more than 200 pieces of tin making equipment. With over 15 automatic production lines, our monthly output capacity exceeds 5 million pieces.
Hello, I'm Ken. I'm the sales manager of Environmental. We provide tin packaging service all over the world, and we look forward to collaborating with you.